We're going to start our second act with more songs that you get to sing, so please sing along with us.
Stealing that extra mile. There's no people like show people. They smile when they are low. Yesterday they told you you would not go far. Tonight you open and there you are. Say on your dressing room they hung the star. Let's go on with the show.
The costumes, the makeup, the scenery, the props, the audience that lifts you when you're down. The headache, the heartache, the backache, the flops, the sheriff who escorts you out of town.
The opening when your heart beats like a drum. The closing when the customers don't come. There's no business like show business, and I tell you it's so. Traveling to the country is so thrilling. Standing out in front on opening nights. Smiling as you watch the theater filling, and there's a feeling out there in lights. There's people like show people, they smile when they are alone.